Many companies don't distinguish between used and refurbished. They use used and refurbished interchangeably. The reason I want to differentiate between used and refurbished is that used is roughly equivalent to original. You can repair or modify it according to your own preferences. Therefore, it doesn't come with a warranty, although it's implicitly covered. While refurbished means that some parts have been replaced, the paint has been refreshed, and the operating hours have been reset. We must assume responsibility for the warranty after the repair. The operating hours on refurbished excavators are typically reset to 500 hours. This is a common practice, and the current reality in China's used heavy equipment industry, and we are powerless to change it. To distinguish them from new excavators, those with operating hours between 1,000 and 4,000 hours are set to 500 hours after refurbishment. Excavators with over 5,000 hours are not worth refurbishing due to performance decline. Refurbished machines come with warranties, starting from the 500-hour mark, similar to a new machine. If a salesperson tells you that their used excavator has only been used for less than 500 hours, that the hour meter hasn't been tampered with, and that the price is very cheap, congratulations, you've encountered a very skilled salesperson. It's also possible that he or she is very new and knows nothing, so he or she doesn't feel guilty about talking nonsense when he or she doesn't understand. Because of this, new guys can easily get orders, but they are also more likely to receive complaints. If you would like to learn more about the Chinese excavator market, please visit www.panyh.com. I'm Mike Fua, and I look forward to hearing from you.